Hi everyone, so I'm back with my new tutorial again. In this I'm going to model a cup. So this will be a beginner's tutorial, so please watch this video till the end and thanks. So from start go to add, then select meshed, then select a cylinder from here like this. Now go to add cylinder and keep its vertices on 12. Now press S and scale it down. Now press tab key from a keyboard for moving on editing mode. Now press shift Z for moving on wireframe mode. Now you can easily give it a shape. So basically this is our cups plate part. So I'm making the plate. If you want or you need, you can take reference of this plate from Google, or otherwise you can make it from seeing my tutorial also. Now give it some loop cuts over here. Now press S for scaling it like this. Just try to give a simple shape, nothing more else, like this. Now after this, again press shift Z for moving on this mode. Now delete this upper face from here. Now add some more loop cuts over here as I'm making its this shape. Then try to fix these lines like this. Now after that you can see we have means made a simple the structure. Now go to add modifier. Now click on solidify, and from thickness you can decrease or increases its thickness as per your choice, as per you like this. Now apply this. Now press again tab key from your keyboard. Now add some loop cuts over here for making these edges sharp if we subdivide our model like this. Now just add some loop cuts over its corners like this. Add one here, add one here. Now from down select its face. Now press E and S and insert that like this. Now from here also add some loop cuts over here and over here and over here also, and for middle part also press E and S. Now after that press smooth shaded. Now press Ctrl 1 for adding subdivision, so you can see how smooth it is looking. And then you can also press Ctrl 2, then hide this. Now again go to add mesh, then select a cylinder. Now after selecting cylinder, keep it scale it down like this, scale it up, sorry. Now again go to edit mode and select this part. Now press Ctrl B for beveling it. So as it is our cups design, so just cups shape, so just keep it over here like this. You can choose its proportion however you like. Now again delete its upper face from here like this. Now let's make slightly designs on our cup. Press shift D for duplicating, and then press separate it like this. After separating it, select this part and just I'm keeping it over here. If you want to leave it, you can also leave this part, but just for modeling I'm just adding this part. Otherwise you can decide another design for this. Now delete this down face from here like this. Now after that just you can see from all the angles like how our model is looking, and then just smooth shade it. Then you can see the down part is also done. Now for upper part just add a solidify modifier, then increase its thickness from here, then apply that. Now again we have to apply some loop cuts for sharpening this corner if we subdivide our model like this. So after that smooth shade it. Now press Ctrl 1 or Ctrl 2 for getting the nice smooth result like this. So as you can see, we have made the body part. Now let's make the handle part. So for that, I'm just drawing a rough sketch for here for the handle part like this. So this must be all good, you can see, like this. If you want, you can also make a simple handle as you like. I'm just showing for a try. Go to add, then select curve, then select a bezier. You can also use this bezier tool, or you can also use some other tools, like I will show you. Just keep it over here, and then just rotate it, and you can just keep it over here. I have fast forward my video. Now you can also make this part from this tool. As you can see, I am very much convenient in using this tool, so I'm just showing you. Just you can make a rough sketch by this tool. It will create like this curves like this, so you can see how easy it is like this. So you can erase this part, and then you can see how easy our this tool is. So just I am taking this tool for my handle like this. Now just arrange it properly like this, all curved done like this. Now after this, go over here and click on geometry, then click on bevel part, then increase its depth part from here, then click on profile. Now again increase that depth part, so you can see the slightly changes on our model like this. Now like this. So here our plate, and then select this hole, just keep it properly like this. Now go to edit mode. Now let's make this liquid part of our cup. Just select this and then separate it by, first you have to press shift D, then separate that like this. Then you can separate. Now delete that outermost part from there like this. Now after that, select it whole. Now keep it over here as I'm making the liquid part. If you want to keep it all empty, you can also keep like that. I'm just keeping it for my presentation and nothing more. Now press this face segments. Now press F key from a keyboard for filling that part. Now press E and S for inserting that, and then hide that, and then again add one loop cut over here like this. Now after that, you can see we have made our liquid part also. Now let's make a straw for this. Now after this, don't forget to save your blender file. Now let's make it straw. So for that, go to add mesh, then select a cylinder again. Now just I am keeping giving it a name of straw like this. After that, just scale it down and just bring it to its shape like this. If you want, you can also add a spoon onto it by creating your own spoon on this blender file like this. Now delete its upper and lower face from here, front faces, and from here also just delete it. So as you can see, I'm just making a simple straw for this model, not making a spoon like this. Now scale it up little, then add some loop cuts tool over here like this. Add one here, here also, just for giving the colors, or you can also add some textures onto it by seeing my previous video if you don't know. Now go to edit mode, then select face one by one, select its face one by one like this. Now after selecting that, go over here, then take a material and keep it in red color if you want, and if you want another color you can also keep. Now go to shading mode, you can see that color will appear over here like this. Now you can just keep it over here as you like. I'm not making that much detail in my model, so just this tutorial is for beginners, so I'm just making like that. Now you can also means give its base textures like that. Now you can also give that color also, it's liquids color, anything you want. Now you can also this change means make this our cup's body in glass or any other metallic thing you like this. You can see I have changed it in glass, so it is not looking that much good enough. So just I will just decrease its roughness, so it will give a glass hard glass look. Now after that, let unwrap our model. So for unwrapping, just you can select this part and then mark seam like this. I'm just showing you the unwrapped part like this. If you want, you can also means leave it as it is, and for from unwrapping you can be able to add textures on your model. So after unwrapping, you can see I have unwrapped my model, so you can also add some textures as I will add in this model. So here you can see I have unwrapped my model and added a texture. For not making my video more long, so I have done by my own like this, you can see. And I have also added a HDRI image to my background like this. Now after this, just decrease its roughness of its plate part from here like this. So as you can see, we have unwrapped our model, modeled our model, and done everything with it. So that's it from my side today. So I hope you like my tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Then just as usual, you have to bring your camera, then set it. Now after that, you have to press F12 for getting the final render results.